which is our warm hospitality. Okay? So for today, we'll be sharing with you guest customers, but also with the workforce that we have now. Okay? The brand itself will be original from a particular.
Ginawa ko naman lahat. Alam niyo yan.
Dagdagan mo ng another 2. Okay na. Yan, go. Lagyan mo another 2.
Pinaka the best na nakain ko dito is the ice cream.
Ice cream.
Yeah, the ice cream is very soothing in my mouth. It makes me like this.
Papasok na si Pogi. 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 Pagdating na si Pogi. Pogi.